Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're dealing with biology past question 2019, question 27. Tooth decay is usually caused by A. Undigested and absorbed food, B. Eating limited amounts of sweetened food, C. The bacteria in the mouth that metabolize sugar to acids, D. Eating a lot of proteinous food. Now we would have noticed that when you eat sugary food, you are prone to tooth decay. Most times you see little children with tooth deficiency, you see some adults too, due to the excess intake of sugary food. Now, what happens is when you take in something sugary, now those particles, the particles of the sugary food will be acted upon by bacteria in your mouth. Now there are certain bacteria in your mouth. Now what this bacteria will do is it acts on the food, thereby metabolizing the food to acid. Now the acid now reacts with your teeth. Now when the acid reacts with your teeth, it causes tooth decay. So our answer here is option C, the bacteria in the mouth that metabolizes sugars to acids. And this is the bacteria that causes food decay. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe for more videos.